Hello guys, Mgamba Mtia. Let me hope everyone is doing well. Yes, my name is Ruth Chris Olusans. On YouTube channel yange, Mujet Fumbe FMB. Come and cook with me. Yeah, it has been a long time when I'm not making a videos. Please subscribe, share. Yeah, to my new subscribers, please. Yes, I started with chicken and onion, green pepper, carrot, everything as usual. Yeah, and I fry potato as you see. Then after that I started cutting chicken. As you see, I was cooking this food for Arabic people. I don't know, but it's nice. As you see, chicken I cut it all. Yeah, ninsalasala bulungi enkoko yaffe. As it, yes, I started cooking the onions. I spiced the chicken, that is paprika, American paprika. It's very nice if you want to use it. I think it hits everywhere. That's salt. Yeah, mega salt. After that, I spiced, I don't know which spice do you use, but that's the soy sauce. Then I put soy sauce, as you see. Yeah, I mixed everything. That is my spice. I mixed everything. That's onion, carrot, green pepper. Yeah, all that. It's very nice. If you want to eat with chapati, you want to eat with cubes, I don't know, but you try this. It's very nice, guys. I love you. Please share for me. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. I love you guys, and God love you so much. Yeah. Yes, I cooked and I cooked. It's about ready. It's ready almost. Yeah, it was very nice, delicious. Chicken, potato. Then I mixed. I put even the eggplant. Yeah, eggplant. There is eggplant there, potato. You mix all together, and chicken. Then I put chicken on top, as you see. That is, yeah. Then the sauce, I put that cheese, that cream, I put all together, as you see. Yeah, our food is ready.